My fans, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you how you take solve this particular problem. The question is very simple. First thing you go ask yourself, where this question they come from? We will not go know until we read the question. The question says a particle in circular motion performs. Yeah, I don't catch am. Now circular motion. Now it come from. Take notes. Now performs 30 oscillations in 6 seconds. Let's pause for a moment and make we reason this thing. How you take understand now? A particle in circular motion. Circular motion na motion wey dey move like this now in a circular path about its fixed axis. So let's say a particle is in circular motion performs 30 oscillation. The oscillation now, if they move like this, abi they move around like this. That means if we move around like this in 6 seconds, see the speed of 30 oscillation. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Is possible. It's possible. 30 oscillations in 6 seconds. So make you find the angular velocity. Wow. So if not like that, you don't know, say you don't understand the equation now, but to solve that problem. But first thing, bring out those things when they talk. They say performs 30 oscillation. That means number of oscillation. Number of oscillation will be n equal to 30. We use n for number of oscillation, 30. In 6 seconds, that's time. They don't give you time as 6 seconds. Its angular velocity, that's omega, angular velocity, which is omega, you know, is any of this option. Me, no say, it go hard, may see formula will relate these 3 parameters. But for me to see this t and this n, it will be easy for me to find frequency. Because I know say this guy, omega, get his own formula as 2 pi f. And now the guy will define. That means if you mount frequency, find frequency as number of oscillation over time. Can't carry the answer we get for the frequency. Lap am here. You don't get this guy. I go lie for you. No. Because you never see this one before. You don't see but you don't know say now. The one you see now, frequency equal to 1 over when they do waves, you see, or maybe simple harmonic motion, f equal to 1 over period. That will be the same thing now, because this one now the number of oscillation are 1. In this case now, number of oscillation are 30. So we put n so that later we can replace the n as 30 over the time we then give will be 6. You enter? No why abi everything they everything they enter well. So what if 60 divided by 30 divided by 6? F now. We'll be waiting. 30 divided by 6 now 5 now. 5 seconds. Now second, no, per second. If you write down 5 per second, because time they down now. Or if you write down like this, 5 per second like this. Anyone they okay. Now the problem will be the frequency we define. You know, the frequency will be hertz too. But that's how we find this guy. So, and then we don't get f as 5 seconds. That means 2 pi times 5 seconds. I know say omega. This omega angular velocity, do you need a radian per second? Or if you're a radian per second, or radian per second, that will be the unit too. So if 2 multiplied by 5 will give me 10. No need to change this pi, just lap the pi, then add this unit here, radian per second. Final. Let me this guy. He enter. Option A. Now in match. So the only thing we will do, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit subscribe button, because me, you know say I don't explain this thing well for you. If you come out like that, you know, like this video, you know, go sharp. If you never subscribe, you just look at like that. How when you want to subscribe, you subscribe finish, you know, turn on the notification bell. How I want to know when I don't check up now, go see the notification before where I do subscribe. On top, you see that bell. That will be like bell. Click them, turn it on. Anytime I post video, you will receive notifications sharp. Then be the first person you will receive. Then share them. Share this video. If you don't share and group chat of people who will write this exam with you, you may say you know they try for them now. So now all I get for you for today. Thank you as you can watch them to this point. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for the comment. All the comment. I'll come comment section, come follow and chat. And they see and I go live for you. You never feel live for me now. Drop comment. I mean. Peace and love.